This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can hide your birthday information on Facebook. Facebook is capable of holding an excessive amount of personal detail: your hometown, phone number, past relationship, where you've been and lived, and of course your birthday. So when you create a Facebook account, you are prompted to enter your birthday. The platform adds this piece of information to your profile, so your friends and family can see when it's your birthday and even get noticed when you are adding another year to your life. But if you don't want to announce your birthday on Facebook, or if you want to keep that information private, then you can do so by changing the privacy settings for your birthday. Hiding your birthday from Facebook isn't just good for hiding your age, but it's also a crucial piece of information identity thieves need to impersonate you. Now, in order to hide your birthday on Facebook from your mobile device, first you need to download the app on your mobile device, then locate and tap on it to open. Once you open the page, you can see the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then go to your profile and click on it. Once you are into your Facebook profile, you can see the edit profile option available. Tap on it. Once you are on your edit profile page, scroll down, and here at the bottom of the screen you can see the edit here about info option. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, scroll down and land onto basic info section, and here you can see the pencil icon right next to your date of birth option. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see your date of birth information is visible to public. So in order to change the visibility settings, tap onto this icon, and you can tap on friends if you want to share your birthday information with your friends on Facebook so that they will be notified when it's your birthday. Or you can tap on only me if you don't want anyone to see the information related to your birthday. Now once you do that, when people visit your Facebook profile, they won't see any information related to your birthday. Also, your friends won't be notified when it's your birthday there. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.